Ready?
Yep.
He did. It's not weak, huh? It's just talent.
That's a pretty good trick, man.
What just happened? Yeah, can we do that again? Just to make sure.
Oh, man. I don't know what I just witnessed.
Chris, you want to interview him? Okay, one more time.
Listen.
2 minutes and counting. One more time.
I will do different one. Maybe we'll get two breaks.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
That's my smell. So first you put water on it. Start. It's not magic, just real. You know, by this time, huh? I believe I can survive. So just how I go broke. Maybe I'll run in somewhere in town. Somebody want to see me acting. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm Winston.
Winston.
Yeah.
Winston, the water fountain. Thank you.
Wow.
I really you guys ready?
Okay.